warm welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. We will see how your next 48 hours are going to be. There are 3 options in front of you. Connect to them. The timestamps are in the description box. It's going to be a short reading since it's only about 48 hours in your life. So I shall see you at your reading. Group 1, let us see how your 48 hours are going to be. So the first card says 7 of Pentacles. So here something might happen, or someone might tell you something, or you might witness something that will take you to a thought that I have also worked so hard, but I haven't achieved what I should have achieved until now. It could be that you are not getting that recognition at work. It could be that you're not getting that enough salary that you think you deserve. It could be that you're not getting that responsibility that others get but you don't get. It could be anything. But this thought you will get into, and you will find yourself a little disappointed in these 48 hours. But the positive side of this card is that it reminds you to look at all that you have achieved, accomplished on your own with your hard work. So respect your own hard work. This will help you to come out of this sad energy, disappointing energy. The next card is the Lovers. So here definitely if you are expecting a love proposal, it can come in these 48 hours. If you want to propose somebody, you will take that step. If there was some dispute between your lovers, I can see a reunion happening here. Next card is Queen of Swords. So in this 48 hours, it will be important for you to have a check on what you are thinking and what you're communicating. The more clear you are, the more positive thoughts you have, the more clarity you have, will it reflect in your communication. Also, the card is telling you that if you want to share your feelings with someone, if you want to, go meet up somebody and clear the confusions, clear the doubts, or if you want to convey someone something, you do it directly. Do not go through anybody. The card is there to help you to communicate your thoughts honestly and directly. So this is how your 48 hours are going to be. Thank you. Welcome Group 2. Let us see how your next 48 hours are going to be. So with Knight of Wands, I feel that there is some kind of passion-driven energy that is going to come within you. A thought that will, bring that side of yours. Oh, I haven't been doing it for so long. I need to do it. Something that was your passion, your hobby. It could be something that you have been wanting, and in these 48 hours, you get an opportunity to do it. So these 48 hours are going to fill you with a lot of creativity, a lot of passionate energy. Action is going to be there. Since you have 2 cards of Wands, so that means that 48 hours are associated here with action. You will be taking action towards that thought that comes to your mind. It could also be with 3 of Wands that some of you might be planning to travel or are traveling in these 48 hours. There could be a proposal coming your way which can help you to expand your business. So this can also happen in the coming 48 hours. With 2 of Swords, I feel that you will get into a situation of crossroad where you'll have to decide a path for yourself, where you'll have to make a choice for yourself. It could be choosing, if you are a student, then it could be choosing a subject, a university. It could be choosing a job for yourself. It could be just if you want to shift your house, change your house, maybe which house should I look in for. So it could be any choice, any decision. It could be different for everybody. So this kind of situation you can face. Connecting to your intuition, meditating, sitting with yourself will help you to get the answers. Thank you. So, Group 3, let us see how your 48 hours are going to be. So, all the cards are of Pentacles. So, definitely 48 hours are going to be around finances, around money. So, if I look at the first card, Knight of Pentacles, it is telling me that you have something in your hand, an opportunity, an offer, but you're not very sure that if you take it up, will it be the right choice or right decision for you? Will you grow on this journey of yours if you pick up this choice? So the card is assuring you that yes, if you want to go ahead with this offer, please go ahead. It is going to be helpful. It is going to bring growth for you. It is going to bring prosperity for you. Also, the card is advising you that if you've been working too hard lately, these 48 hours is a good time to take some rest, to relax yourself. Next card is Ace of Pentacles. So definitely a new offer is coming your way. It can have a better salary for yourself, or it could be helping you with some kind of financial help. It could be just a bonus coming your way. It could be a reward for yourself. It could be winning a lottery. It could be like you've applied for loan and it gets sanctioned. It could also be that you were waiting for some financial help and that comes through. So with Ace of Pentacles, some amount of money is definitely coming your way in these 48 hours. Next is Two of Pentacles. So here the card is telling me that you will be trying to figure out a balance between your expenditures and your savings. At times, certain situations just come into our lives where we have to immediately, give away our money for an emergency or to just help somebody, and then we have to figure out that, oh, if I've given so much, how much am I left with? So certain kind of situation, it might occur in these 48 hours, but yes, definitely you are here trying to balance your expenditure and your savings here. So this is how your 48 hours are going to be. Thank you.